how to book appointment for Portugal visa. So if you want to book an appointment for Portugal visa, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser. On your browser, you need to search for VFS Global. After that, you need to go with www.vfsglobal.com. Now, as you can see that you'll have this kind of interface. So you just need simply go with I'm applying from and select your country and your region. After that, go with I'm going to. And in our case, we are applying for Portugal. So you need to go and select Portugal. After selecting, now you need to go with take me to the website. And this will take you to this kind of interface. You just need to simply go with book an appointment section. And under book an appointment, you need to go with book now. And it will ask you to log in. So if you don't have an account, then you can simply go and create an account. And after creating your account, your booking will be completed. Just enter the information that it asks you for the booking appointment. And after booking, you can go and apply for a visa. But if you've previously booked an appointment or plan to reschedule, you can click here so that it will track the validity of your appointment. So as you can see that once you click on book now, it will take you to this kind of interface where you need to enter the email address and your password. But if you don't have your account, you need to go with I don't have an account, and then you need to go and create an account. After creating an account, you can just simply go with click here in order to log in. And once you've logged in, it will ask you for the following steps. You need to just proceed and you'll be able to apply for a Portugal visa or book an appointment on your Portugal visa. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.